So the first step is to scissor your feet a little bit and keep a fist width between your skates and roll. Step 2. Put your whole body weight on the leading foot. Lean on that foot. Third step is to drag the foot behind, but you have to keep in mind 3 important things. First, when you drag your foot, just drag it for a brief moment and then move it back to rolling position. The second thing you need to remember is when you lift your dragging foot to drag, you need to move your hands with your shoulders to the opposite side at the same time. I'll show you. You're rolling, you're doing the micro drags, but at the same time you're raising your dragging foot. You go like this. And the last step is actually the right position of the drag leg. I don't know why they call this a T-stop, because I don't make a T shape with my feet, because it is actually quite dangerous. And it wears down the wheels much quicker. What I do is like a check mark. When the skates are not like T-shape, but V-shape, the wheels actually never stop turning and it doesn't wear out the wheels that quickly. To sum it up, scissor your feet with a fist width apart. Put your body weight on the leading foot. Do micro drags with hands and shoulders going to the opposite side. And you'll learn it in a couple of days, I guarantee it. The most important thing are the micro drags. You can do it longer when you get comfortable. It's good if you find a little slope, not too steep. Practice it on. When you get one side perfect, then move on to the other side. It will be easier then. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go eat some ice cream. You stay cool and keep rolling.